This is the Justice Journalist with For Justice Radio, and we are here doing a special series of vlogs to reveal or expose the fact that the 5th and 14th Amendments, as well as the Civil Rights Act of 1964, Title VI, have been repealed and eliminated regarding blacks in the United States. And so we want you to take a look at our sister website. That's a satirical website of obamahatesblacks.homestead.com, and we'll leave a link in the description box so you can check that website out. But what we want to call your attention to very quickly is the page where we have a special report, and it talks about Judge Becky Moore. And if you go down and scroll down the page, you will find that information on that website regarding the story is missing. Number one, her picture is missing, and number two, most importantly, a document is missing from Scribd. You can see the image of the document, but when you click on the link, you will see that Scribd has removed the document. Now you might ask yourself, well, why go through all this trouble? Why make it appear as if the document is there and then click on the link and you can't see the document? Well, one of the reasons is because what you will find, and other people will probably already know who have been through this situation, is that the courts create bogus documents. And these bogus documents are often sent to defendants, and they're to get you to come into court. And then once you're in court, the judges and the attorneys do their magic on you. And once they do their magic on you, it's the standard operating procedure that they take something from you, be it your money or your property, or like the debtors' prisons that have occurred across the country in places like Ferguson, Missouri. They steal your parts of your life away by putting you in debtors' prison. And that is all because blacks do not know that they have the right, or they had the right, to file Title VI complaints. But what has happened, because of disuse of this law, the Justice Department feels that they do not have to investigate these complaints. So what will happen is, when you send a complaint in, as our journalist did regarding Judge Becky Moore, a white judge who, quote unquote, evicted a homeowner from her home and gave the home to a company that did not have any rights in the home and was not a landlord of the homeowner, they will make these documents disappear. And so that is what Scribd has attempted to do. Not only will the documents disappear, your rights have disappeared. And so what we at For Justice Radio are trying to do is to get the word out. You may not be able to go to the Department of Justice, but what you should do is go to our website and start telling your stories, just as the women have done in the situation in Hollywood, just as people have come to light about the actor Kevin Spacey in Hollywood. People are standing up for years and years of discrimination and sexual harassment that they have suffered at the hands of people who have taken advantage of them. And so that is what we are trying to promote. We are trying to get people to speak up and to identify those people who are in positions of power, who are responsible. And so this is just one example. There are many other examples that we have heard of here at For Justice Radio, and we encourage you to take a look and to recall instances that you or your family have been similarly violated, and to make your voice heard. This has been the Justice Journalist at For Justice Radio. As always, we are here exposing injustice. Please join us.